duck, he's just going to fly lower.
As we expand our towns and our cities, we're making many changes to the landscape. And unfortunately, not all birds are able to adapt to all of these impacts. Many birds they live in tree hollows, and a tree hollow provides them with a secure home, but also a place to nest and to thrive.
Sit down next to me.
Taking a video.
Now, you guys may not have an old hollow log or tree in your backyard, but you can provide an artificial one in the form of what's called a nesting box, like this green and white box we have here on our speaker pole. You can go online, find the plans for those, how to source one, how to install them, and not just for cockatoos like Kiri here, but for all the other native species of parrot, possum, and even bat. Because helping wildlife starts in your own backyards. That's your wild communities. Now, thankfully, some of our natives have been able to thrive, but unfortunately not all of the birds have. So me and my friend Jasper here were wondering if there's anyone in the audience that would like to help out today. We're looking for a volunteer or someone who would very much like to meet Jasper. I can't go past the dude in the back row, bro. You had your hand right up in the air. So I'll get you to take a step forward for me. You can keep the young lady with you, but I might get you to put your hand out instead. Get your arm out to the side.